Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. New Touch Auto, where we customize vehicles and we make them look like that right there. This video, we're gonna get into this Jeep Wrangler TJ edition, the original Jeep Wrangler. We did a lot to this vehicle. You see that green? That's satin green chrome. Then we got the red coming through. Then we got the satin black on it. Whole lot, man. I can't even speak on it. The video gonna do it all. So y'all stay tuned. So that concludes the end of the video. We're gonna go over everything we did to this vehicle to make it stand out, to make it look like it looks now. Let's go. We got this front grille. That's brand new. See that mean look, right? Before, it didn't have that. Now I got that aggressive look to go with that aggressive color. We got the hooks, they red. Behind that grille is red. And then on the top, you see the hinges, they're red, and also you see a little peekaboo action going on behind those plates. We kept the red going on so it can complement the third color. Then we go to the headlights. The signal lights here, tinted those dark tint. Spruced up the fenders. We got those painted permanent satin black. Got the tint on the side marker. And then we go all the way through. On the hinges, we deleted all the red on the hinges. Everything on the side, we deleted. We got that painted with black. And then we got it at the bottom too. And then you come at the top, you see that action right there? That red, it complements the front. Side mirrors painted permanently. Got the door hinges. They're painted permanently, satin black to match this satin green chrome. And we take it to the back side. We got that new gas cover. Got the lock on it. Then we take it all the way around. We got that red back there too. We got it on the hinges. We got the satin green chrome going through the middle. Kept the red out. Complements it a lot. Got the black going on. And then you just swing around. You see that darker action you get? That's the same color, but it's a nice flip to it. Then we got the tail lights. Brand new. So this truck here stands out a whole lot. What we did, we practiced safe painting. We wrapped it up. If you're interested in one of these shirts, visit our website at newtouchauto.com. Many more shirts to choose from. This here is pertaining to like vinyl wrappers. All you vinyl wrappers out there, make a statement. Make a statement. You didn't use liquid paint, so you don't have to breathe all that. That's safe painting. This here is aggression. Thank y'all for checking out this video. For my subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Catch y'all in the next video.